Hello, my second grade Smarties. I am so glad that you are here today. We have a really great lesson planned, and I'm so thankful that you logged in for our class together. I'm going to go ahead and share my screen for you, and I want you to go ahead and take a look at what you're going to need. For our lesson today, you're going to need your pencil and your journal. You're going to need your pencil and your journal. I'll give you a couple of seconds to go gather those things up. They should be nearby you in your school supplies. All right, I see some thumbs up letting me know you have those things. You can set those to the side of you. You're going to need those at the end of the lesson. Perfect, my friends. Let's go over our expectations, friends. We're going to go ahead and jump right into our lesson today. We're going to be talking about adjectives. Have any of my friends ever heard the word adjectives? Oh, I see some friends raising their hands. I see some friends give me some thumbs up. I would love to hear from my friend right here. Thank you. Oh, you think it has something to do with writing? That is a great answer. That is a great answer. Oh, I have a friend who says adjectives have to do with reading. You both are correct. Adjectives go with our reading and our writing, and they also go with our speaking. They also go with our speaking when we are speaking, and we're going to get into more in depth about what adjectives are. But first, I'm going to go over what our goal is for today. Remember, we always have a goal, just like in soccer, just like in football, even in basketball, we have goals that is what they are working towards, and we are working towards using adjectives to add details to your writing. So your goal for today is to say that I can use adjectives to add details to my writing. So I can use adjectives to add details to my writing. All right, friends, I need 2 friends that can tell us what our goal for today is in your own words. Great, adding adjectives to our writing. Great, great, great. Oh, and adding details to our writing with adjectives. Oh, that sounds great. Thank you, my friends. We're going to go ahead and jump on in. Before we get into adjectives a little bit further, we're going to stop and review. What is a noun? I need 3 friends to share with us what a noun is. A person, place, animal, or thing. Correct. What is a noun? A person, place, animal, or thing. Awesome, awesome. And one more, person, place, animal, or thing is a noun. Remember that when we write nouns like specific names, places, and things, those are called proper nouns. They should be capitalized. We're using those big, big letters. Examples would be Miss Pritchett's name, the store like Target, or a drink like Sprite. Can I have 3 friends give me an example of a noun? It can be common or proper. Any noun. Flower. Good job, my friend. I love that. Mom. That is a great example. Oh, and your name, John. Perfect. I love it. Those are 3 examples of nouns. Very good, my friends. So we want to make sure that we know what a noun is before we move on to adjectives, because our adjectives are going to help support our nouns. Taking a look at this picture, oh, I see lots of happy faces. I see lots of giggles. This is a really fun picture, and I want you to think about what you see in this picture. I want you to think about the colors that you see, the details, those little things that you see. What do you think it might smell like? What do you think it might taste like? So I want to hear from friends. I'm going to ask 5 friends to share with me what they see in this picture. Oh, you see bright M&Ms. You're exactly right. I see some bright colored M&Ms. I like that word bright. That's a great one. You see some yummy brownies. Oh, that's another great one. You see some chocolate ice cream. Oh, that's a great one. Chocolate. So we've got bright, yummy chocolate. Red cherries, that's another great one. And then salty almonds. Salty, see almonds that are salty. Great, my friends. So those words that you use to describe, even if you just said cookies, we could even go a little further and talk about how would we know what kind of cookies? What do those cookies look like? What do those taste like? Those words are adjectives. I like to think that adjectives add sparkle to our writing and our speaking. So when I think of adjectives, I think of sparkle because it really makes our words and our writing shine. All right, my friends, let's move on. What is an adjective? So we want to know what an adjective is. An adjective describes a noun. I want everybody to say that with me. An adjective describes a noun. And two people that can tell us again. An adjective that describes a noun. Go ahead and unmute for me. Perfect. An adjective that describes a noun. Awesome. So we want to describe, we want to tell what a noun is. And we can do that using words like with words that are adjectives that tell us about the taste, that tell us about the color, how something smells, how something looks, the size of it. Is it big? Is it small? Is it tall? Is it short? Is it wide? Is it narrow? How something feels, how something sounds, how many of something there are, and then their behavior, how somebody's acting or what an animal is behaving. Those are all adjectives. Good job, my friends. So how does an adjective add details? So I have a sentence right here. It says, I like to eat food. I wrote this sentence. I like to eat food. And that sentence is okay. Food can mean lots of different things though, right? So we want to make sure that we know what kind of food. I'm going to add some sparkle to my sentence because I want to know what the taste is like. So I said, I like to eat spicy food. Does anybody else like to eat spicy food? Thumbs up, thumbs up. Oh, I see some thumbs down. Some people don't like spicy, and that's okay. I like to eat spicy food. Good job. We're going to go ahead and put a bubble around spicy because that's our adjective. Take a look at our next sentence. I like to eat sweet food. What kind of food did Miss Bridget say she likes to eat? Sweet food. You are exactly right. Let me go ahead and grab our bubble. Sweet would be our adjective because it tells us that the food tastes sweet. Now, sometimes we can even use more than one adjective. We can use 2, 3, as many adjectives that we need to describe our noun. Our noun is food, and I want to describe our food. So I'm going to give you another example. I like to eat yummy, spicy food. So what kind of food do I like to eat? I like to eat yummy food, and I like to eat it, oops, let's fix that real quick. I like to eat our spicy food. Sometimes technology jumps around, and that's okay. Good job, friends. So now we're going to take one more look together. We're going to work together to add an adjective to describe the car on our screen. Oh, we like this car. And I wrote a simple sentence. I wrote, I see a car. And I do see a car. But just like food, there are many different types of cars. I have a big gray car. Your mom or dad or grown up might have a little blue car, or they might have a truck. So we want to talk about the different types of car. We're not going to talk about the different types of cars, but we want to describe this car. We want to describe this car. So let's think in our head, how could we describe this car? And remember, an adjective describes a noun, so it could be a taste. Well, do we taste a car? No, but we could do the color. We could talk about how it looks. We could talk about how many. We can even talk about the size or how it feels. I hear a lot of friends that are saying red. I see a red car, and you would be correct. I see a red car. That is exactly right. That is one way that we can describe that car. Oh, and then we can talk about how it looks. How does this car look? Oh, shiny. We think it's shiny. I see a shiny car. It is shiny. Very good. And then sometimes we want to challenge ourselves, and so we want to add 2 adjectives, 2 new adjectives. How else could we describe this car? Oh, fast. It does look very fast. So I see a fast, cool car. You think it looks cool? That is a great one. I see a fast, cool car. Good job, friends. So we are adding those details with adjectives to our writing